And welcome back to our town hall. The FDA may be just a few days away from authorizing Pfizer's COVID vaccine for kids 12 and older.
And new results from Moderna's trial shows its vaccine is 96% effective for adolescents. But are the doses for kids the same as the shots that adults are getting?
Yeah, Gabe Cohen from our Verify team has the answer now.
Kids 12 and up could be authorized for Pfizer's COVID vaccine next week. And a lot of parents have questions about the shots their kids will get. So let's verify. Will kids receive the same COVID vaccines as adults? Our sources, Pfizer, Moderna, and Johnson & Johnson, and an infectious disease expert. Pfizer and Moderna have made it clear that kids 12 and up will receive the exact same two-dose regimen as adults. A spokesperson for Pfizer tells me it's the same formulation and administered at the same level. Moderna's spokesperson called theirs the same vaccine, same dose. Both companies started their adolescent trials months ago.
Why wouldn't they need to modify the vaccine?
Well, because immune systems of children are wonderfully responsive.
Dr. William Schaffner is an infectious disease specialist at Vanderbilt University.
The immune systems are not calibrated according to the size of the child.
But Pfizer and Moderna may modify the dosage for children under 12. Those trials just started, and they're still figuring out the right amount for each age group. Pfizer's standard dose is 30 micrograms, but for kids 2 to 11, they're testing 10 micrograms, then moving up to 20 and 30, depending on the age group's tolerance. They did the same thing during the adult trial. Moderna's strategy is similar. Their standard dose is 100 micrograms, but for children 2 to 11, they're testing 50 as well. And for kids under 2, they'll test 25 micrograms up to the full dose.
The investigators, as they go down the age range, and of course the children get smaller, are trying to adjust the doses so that the children get good protection, but keep the side effects to a minimum.
Johnson & Johnson is well behind the other companies and just started their trial for children 12 and up. At this point, we don't know if they'll adjust the dosage for kids. So we can verify if they get Pfizer or Moderna's vaccines, kids 12 and older will get the exact same shots as adults, but children under 12 may receive smaller doses. Those younger kids are still months away from an authorized vaccine. With your Verify, I'm Gabe Cohen.
And it is interesting to understand just how this works. And also in the meantime, even earlier today on Most Buffalo, we talked about how here in Erie County, they're already figuring out, okay, once these are approved, how are we going to roll this out? And in a lot of ways, considering how children are as well, making it safe as it can be for them in terms of going through the process of having to get a shot, which of course none of us really love, but it's especially tough for kids.
Absolutely, and making it so available at pediatricians' offices, I think, is what's going to be key. But it does make it logistically easier if it's, hey, the same shot that us adults are getting. So
exactly.
At least for the 12 to 15-year-olds, that'll be the case.